Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Employment News for BE BTech Mechanical Engineers 6 December 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. Every Monday we will upload new employment opportunity for mechanical engineers, and this week in this video we have included 4 government jobs, 7 private jobs and 2 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this first, government jobs. In government job, first one is ground duty technical and flying branch at Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force invites Indian citizens, men and women, to be a part of its elite force as Group A gazetted officers in flying and ground duty, technical and non-technical branches through Air Force Common Admission Test AF CAT 1 2022. Course commencing on January 2023. Final year students 2022 batch and 2021 batch are also eligible to apply. Mechanical engineering graduates can apply for both flying branch and ground duty technical, aeronautical, mechanical branches. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Number of vacancies are 176 in total approximately. Age limit is 20 to 26 years as on 1st January 2023. Pay and allowances 56,100 to 1,77,500 at level 10 plus MSP of Rs 15,500 plus other allowances. Application fee is 250. Final year students 2022 batch and 2021 batch are also eligible to apply, provided that candidate should not have any present backlog and should have secured a minimum 60% of marks up to the last semester or year for which results have been declared up to time of submission of application. They are required to submit proof of passing the degree examination by 30th November 2022. Selection procedure. All eligible candidates will call for an online AFCAT and engineering knowledge test. Online Air Force Common Admission Test and Engineering Knowledge Test examination will be conducted on 12th February 2022, 13th February and 14th February 2022 through 104 test centers all over India. Candidates who passed in the online AFCAT will be called at any one of the Air Force Selection Board at Dehradun or Mysore or Gandhinagar or Varanasi or Guwahati for final stages of recruitments. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can be seen at the website as shown on screen. Aspirants of Indian Air Force are required to apply online by using the direct link as shown on screen or through their websites as shown on screen on or before 30th December 2021. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. If you are interested to apply for this post, you can visit our videos description and from there you can find these links. By clicking these links, you will redirect to the direct website of the company and you can directly apply from there itself. Next is Assistant Commandant Technical and General Duty at Indian Coast Guard. The Indian Coast Guard is an armed force search and rescue and maritime law enforcement agency that protects India's maritime interests and enforces its maritime law. The Indian Coast Guard operates under the Ministry of Defense. Only candidates declared their final year or final semester exam and completed their degrees are eligible to apply. The Indian Coast Guard invites young and dynamic Indian male and female candidates for the various branches as an Assistant Commandant Group A Gazetted Officer 02/2022 batch. For more details, please visit the website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Salary offered are basic pay of 56,100 plus DA plus HRA plus other allowances. Age limit is 18 to 25 years, born between 1st July 1997 to 30th June 2001. Number of posts 6 for technical branch mechanical and 30 for general duty. Application fee nil. Selection procedure. Stage 1. Candidates will be shortlisted based on percentage of marks in the qualification examination. Shortlisted candidate will be called for preliminary selection at given date and time, which will consist of mental ability tests, cognitive aptitude test, and picture perception and discussion test. Stage 2. Final selection. The candidates who qualify preliminary selection will be called for final selection. The final selection will consist of psychological test, group task and interview or personal test, etc. How to apply? Detailed notification can be seen at the website as shown on screen. Candidates can apply through the website as shown on screen from 6th December 2021 12 hours to 17th December 2021 17.30 hours. Next is some last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. Assistant Manager Mechanical at Mecon Limited, Jharkhand's last date is 25th December 2021. Senior Executive at ONGC Petro Additions Limited, OPA's last date is 12th December 2021. I will provide last video's link in my description also. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first one is Service Engineer at Exide Industries Limited, Rohtak. Exide Industries Limited is an Indian multinational storage battery manufacturer and life insurance company. It is the largest manufacturer of automotive and industrial lead acid batteries in India and fourth largest in the world. It has plants in India and Sri Lanka and dealership network in 46 countries spanning 5 continents. Exide also has 4 major lead acid battery recycling facilities around the world. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0-year experience. Salary is not disclosed by the recruiter. Roles and responsibilities. Customer satisfaction through after sales service, handling warranty return batteries and reduce response time for warranty return battery to process. Customer awareness about maintenance of batteries through service camps, training of service technicians and battery mobile technicians. The candidates must have 60% and above in 10th, 12th and BTech. Role is maintenance engineer, industry is automobile, functional areas production, manufacturing and engineering. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. If you are interested to apply for this post, you can visit our video's description and from there you can find this link. And by clicking this link, you will redirect to the direct website of the company and from there you can apply directly. Next is Trainee Designer at Avion India, Hyderabad. Avion India is the industry leader in GIS service, database management, solution, network design and administration, and software engineering and system integration. Avion India is a part of the Avignon Group having offices in USA, Europe, France, Belgium and India. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 2019 or 2020 pass out students only. Salary is not disclosed by the recruiter. Required skills: training level certification in SPPID, user level expertise on below task would be added advantage. PFD, P&ID, legend drawing preparation, engineering data editor, inconsistency mark verification, report generation, etc. Role and responsibilities: to be trained on SPPID initially, understand SPPID drafting standards and implements, coordinate with the other discipline team member on technical interface points. Role is trainee designer, function areas engineering services. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen or can apply by sending your latest resume to the mail IDs as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Engineer Customer Advocacy at Hewlett Packard Enterprises, HP Bangalore. The Hewlett Packard Enterprises company, HPE, is an American multinational enterprise information technology company. It is a business focused organization which works in servers, storage, networking, consulting, and support. For further information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year of experience. Job ID is 1107199. Role summary. Work consists of designing, developing, analyzing, troubleshooting, and debugging systems, software, and solutions for research and or research development of product, services, and solution for HPE portfolio. Requires a broad knowledge and application of engineering discipline, methodologies, and tools. Key responsibilities: design portions of engineering solution utilizing multiple engineering disciplines for product, system, software, and solution based on established engineering principles and in accordance with the provided specifications and requirements. Participates as a member of project team of other engineering and internal and outsourced development partners to develop reliable, cost-effective, and high-quality solutions for low to moderately complex products, etc. Qualification required: bachelor's or master's degree in mechanical, electrical, or other engineering, computer science, or equivalent. Typically 0 to 2 year of experience required. Role is engineer customer advocacy. Function areas: servers, storage, and networking. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is metallurgy engineer at Precision Machine Auto Components Private Limited, Chennai. Precision Machine and Auto Components Private Limited is a company which caters to a wide range of OEM like earth moving tractor and farm, industrial valves, locomotives, compressors, plastic molding machines, and windmill, etc. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year of experience. Salary offered are 2 lakh to 2,50,000 per annum. Role and responsibilities: good knowledge in metallurgy or outsourcing and production, follow up as per monthly schedule. Physical stock and supplier end activities, good communication skill, etc. Role is mechanical engineer. Function areas: automobile industry. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen, or can apply by sending your latest resume to the mail ID as shown on screen. Next is junior design engineer, Varai Valves Private Limited, Mumbai. Varai Valves Private Limited is a manufacturer of pressure reducing valves, air vent valves, and EC cleaner strainer. Varai today has 2 manufacturing units, one in Mumbai and other in Vasai. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Salary offered are 1,75,000 to 2,75,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: design and development of new valves and other products, new features or models for existing product, existing and new plastic or metal components, modifying die or molds process, etc. Develop prototypes and test until ready for production, doing time and motion study to enhance productivity from time to time, use own vision and entrepreneurship skills to add to projects as an assignment list, etc. Role is junior designer. Functional areas: valves and manufacturing. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is service engineer at Sajanand Laser Technology Limited, Chennai. Sajanand Laser Technology Limited is pioneer for laser processing system in India. With our high-end laser framework, we are on the way to transform your industries into smart facilities. For more information, please visit the website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Role and responsibilities: on-site service, preventive maintenance, machine installation, troubleshooting, etc. Role is service engineer. Function areas: laser system manufacturing. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is production data engineer at ExxonMobil, Bangalore. ExxonMobil Corporation is an American multinational oil and gas corporation headquartered in Texas. It was formed by the merger of Exxon and Mobil. ExxonMobil's primary brands are ExxonMobil Esso and ExxonMobil Chemical, with 37 oil refineries in 21 countries consisting a combined daily refining capacity of 6.3 million barrels. ExxonMobil is the seventh largest refiner in the world. For more information, please visit the website as shown on screen. Experience required for the possess 1 to 2 year of experience. Requisition ID is 706 473 100. Roles and responsibilities: lead data preparation activities for deployment and support of proprietary digital technologies. These include executive data cleanup activities and setup of custom PIAF templates using P&IDs and PI servers, etc. Work in agile team and coordination activities across various operations teams to ensure timely resolution of AF or PI data quality issues. Job requirements: bachelor's or higher degree from a recognized university in an engineering discipline, example mechanical engineer or electrical engineer, or related, with a minimum of GPA 7.0, 1 to 2 year of experience with OSI soft PIAF, PI or similar products required. Strong communication, organization and multitasking skills. Familiarity with the cloud-based solution is preferred. Role is production data engineer. Function area is oil and gas. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the written notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for private jobs. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is graduate apprentice trainees at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Lucknow. HAL is an Indian state-owned aerospace and defense company, is governed under the management of the Indian Ministry of Defense. HAL accessory divisions Lucknow was established with the prime objective of manufacturing aircraft system and accessory for aircraft, helicopters and engines. At present, over 1400 different types of accessories are being manufactured and maintained by accessory divisions Lucknow. For more information, please visit the website as shown on screen. Candidates who have passed in the year of 2019, 2020 and 2021 are only eligible to apply. Age limit is 26 years, stipend as per government rules. Selection procedure: initially candidates will be shortlisted based on the final mark list. Then shortlisted candidates should go through a document verification process. How to apply? Interested eligible candidates must register themselves in AS portal of MHRD by using the link as shown on screen. Detailed advertisement can see at the website as shown on screen. Interested eligible candidates can send their application through online by using the website as shown on screen on or before 18th December 2021. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is some last date of apprenticeship training already informed in previous videos. Graduate apprentice at Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited's last date is 6 December 2021. I will provide last video's link in my description. That's all for the details of this job opportunity video. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.